Today we'll be discussing about spin the wheel. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for spin the wheel. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. And after choosing all, you can just enable automatic feature installation, so it will be avoiding any of your manual workflows. So right now we will be just choosing a single specific sub account to set an example. Allow install. Now let's move forward towards the agency level. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed spin the wheel. Here we are on the agency level. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose location one on which we have installed. Here on the sub account, you have to move forward towards the automations and create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. Create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are on the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. And here it is. You can create spin wheel. Select the drop down and save this action. Now just test the workflows. Choose any of your contact for the time being and run this test. And head towards the execution logs now. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully now. It is that simpler. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.